Hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing on to my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I am doing a home for the holidays cranberry relish recipe. That was my mother-in-law's. So, swing on into my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Hey there, good looking. Let's do another home for the holiday quickie. Now, I'm going to sit there and show you how I make my cranberry relish. Or I should say, how my mother-in-law made her cranberry relish. Now, you won't believe how fast this one goes. All you really need is 4 simple ingredients. You need 1 bag of fresh cranberries. You're gonna need some orange marmalade, orange juice, and some sugar. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and let's get making some of the best cranberry relish you have ever had. So let's get making that cranberry relish. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm going to open up my bag of cranberries, and I'm going to add them to, well, looky here who made its way back. Fabio! Okay, now, before I go any further, I'm going to go through each and every one of these cranberries that I just dumped out into my jam and jelly maker, and I'm going to pull out any bad cranberries. So, I'll be back when I'm all done sorting through each and every one of these. Okay, I went ahead, I pulled out any of the bad ones, and then I took these over to the sink, and I gave them a quick wash, and I put them back inside of the jam and jelly maker, and now I want you to add 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup of sugar. We're gonna come down here, hit the jam button on our jam and jelly maker, and we're gonna push enter, and we're gonna bring these up to a boil. And now let's add 1 cup of orange juice. And put your cover on. I'll see you at the end of this jam. That's right, I'm just running it through 1 cycle on the jam. Jam session is all done. I'll be coming back and I'll be showing you the very next step. So, while we're jamming out, we might as well sit there and prepare the next step. Now, this is some homemade orange marmalade that I made. So, I'm just gonna open it up. Look at that. Oh, look at that yumminess. Oh, all we need is 1/2 cup. Oh my goodness. Are you seeing this? Oh. I have to admit, this orange marmalade, it has to be one of my best recipes in the jam and jellies that I really like a lot. And it took me forever and a day to finally find the right recipe that I really adore to use. And let me tell you, I found one. Now, if you want me to show you how I make up my orange marmalade, leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to do one, because it's coming up to marmalade season, and you know what? I'm gonna be making me some. Well, I'm gonna take off the cover and we're just gonna sit there and now, because they're popping. And one little tip I will give you. Now, the longer you cook these, the more tart they're gonna be. Now, if you want a sweeter cranberry, when they first start popping and stuff, that's when you're gonna wanna add your orange marmalade. Now, let Fabio do all the work for you. Let him mix it all up. And then we're gonna be turning it off. And we're gonna be putting our cranberry relish in a real nice dish. Okay, Fabio mixed everything all up. I'm gonna hit that cancel button. I'm gonna get my dish that I'm gonna put this all in. And we're gonna sit there and allow it to cool. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make a cranberry relish. So if you liked what you saw here today, please go up above, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And I want to thank you for taking the time out to watching my video and helping support my channel here. It is greatly appreciated. And I want to sit there and wish each and every one of yous happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatins. Y'all come back now. You hear?